Okay, so one of the reasons we factor is due to the zero product property, which states any number times zero equals zero. So what that means is that, 2 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 5 times 1/8 times 0 equals 0. It doesn't matter what it is, it'll always equal 0. So that is important because you can use a zero product property to solve factored equations, which is super huge. Ask my pre-calc students right now. It's a big part of what we're doing. So this is already in your factored form. And if you want to solve for x, you only have to worry about when 3x plus 1 equals 0. To solve that, you subtract 1, you get 3x equals negative 1, so x would equal negative 1/3. Okay? In the second one, it's a little different though, because in this one, there's two parts of the variable. So we want to know, when does 2x equal 0 and when does 3x plus 1 equal 0? Well, we already did the bottom part. We already know that's negative 1/3 from the problem before. Well, here you just divide by 2, and you get 0. So your two answers to this one would be 0 and negative 1/3. In the last one, we want to know, when does 4x equal 0, when does x minus 4 equal 0, and when does 2x plus 5 equal 0? In the first one, we get x equals 0. Here, we're going to add 4 to get x is equal to 4. And in the last one, we're going to subtract 5 and then divide by 2 to get x equals negative 5/2. Now, I know I went through that quick, but the part of it you need to remember is that if any part of an expression equals 0, it doesn't matter what you multiply it by, the rest will be 0. And that's the goal for this.